Welcome back to UK Auto Car Insight. Today we are exploring the all-new 2026 Yaltra Tractor, a machine that is creating serious buzz in the farming and heavy-duty equipment market. The 2026 model comes with noticeable upgrades that aim to improve productivity, comfort, and overall efficiency for modern agriculture users. This tractor is designed for farmers who need strong performance combined with smart technology and long working durability. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Yaltra Tractor now features a more aggressive and modern body style. The front grille has been redesigned with wider airflow channels to improve engine cooling during long working hours. The LED headlight setup is sharper and brighter, allowing better visibility during early morning or late night field work. The tractor body is built using high-strength steel with anti-rust coating, making it suitable for harsh weather and muddy environments. The cabin design is more aerodynamic compared to previous models, helping reduce dust buildup and improving fuel efficiency slightly during road travel. Larger rear tires provide better ground grip and reduce slippage during heavy pulling tasks. Moving toward performance, the 2026 Yaltra Tractor is powered by a newly upgraded turbo diesel engine. This engine produces higher torque at lower RPM, which is extremely useful for plowing, hauling, and operating heavy attachments. The transmission system is smoother with improved gear shifting response. Farmers will notice less vibration and quieter engine operation compared to older models. The hydraulic lifting capacity has also been increased, allowing the tractor to handle heavier implements without losing balance or stability. The cooling system has been enhanced, ensuring the tractor can operate continuously for longer hours without overheating issues. Talking about maximum speed, the 2026 Yaltra Tractor offers a top road speed of approximately 42 to 48 km per hour depending on the variant and load conditions. This makes transportation between fields faster and more efficient. While tractors are not designed for high-speed travel, this speed range is considered very good in the heavy-duty agriculture segment. Fuel average is one of the strongest points of this tractor. The improved fuel injection system helps optimize diesel consumption. On average, the tractor delivers around 5 to 7 liters per hour during normal field operations. During lighter tasks or road movement, fuel consumption can drop even lower. This helps farmers reduce long-term operating costs, which is extremely important with rising fuel prices globally. Now let's discuss the price update. The expected price of the 2026 Yaltra Tractor is likely to start around $28,000 to $35,000 depending on configuration, horsepower variant, and optional technology packages. In local markets, pricing may vary due to import duties, dealer charges, and optional attachments. Considering the features, durability, and performance upgrades, the pricing is competitive compared to other tractors in this segment. Overall, the 2026 Yaltra Tractor is a strong package for modern farming needs. It combines updated exterior design, powerful engine performance, good maximum speed for transport, impressive fuel efficiency, and competitive pricing. For farmers looking to upgrade to a reliable and future-ready tractor, this model is definitely worth considering. Stay connected with UK Auto Car Insight for more latest vehicle reviews and technology updates.